Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to automate messages in Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or just simply go to Google and search for Slack. Then just enter the Slack website, which is slack.com. Now, before starting out, let's talk about automated messages. You might want to set automated messages because of many things in your workspace. You might want to give a reminder to do daily check-ins to your employees, or maybe for some other reason. So to do auto replies or auto messages, it's very easy. Just follow me. From here, just select any of the workspace. I'll select this one. I'll click on launch. Just give it some time. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser. And after that, just give it some time to load your workspace. And after that, just go to the home of your workspace. And here we have a new channel. Now to set up the automated messages, what you have to do is just click on more. From here, you'll find tools, create and find workflows and apps. Just click on this. Now under here in featured templates, you'll find weekly check-ins. If you don't find it here, just go down and look for it. And if you find it here, just click it from here. And after you have selected weekly check-in, just click on setup. Then just select the time and date and just go to step 2. Then just select the channel in which you want the message to go in. Then just add the message which you want to send. And after that, you simply have to click on Publish Workflow. And basically that is it. Your workflow has been created. And after that, your automated messages will go in the very specific channel that you selected. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.